You want to make money on social media in 2024? I'm talking about 6 figures plus. This video is for you. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Perry. I am a real estate agent licensed in Maryland and DC, and I'm a social media influencer on Instagram and TikTok. And I teach people not only how to buy homes and invest in real estate, but I also teach folks how to grow social media followings and how to monetize that for social media. So if you are looking to really make money on social media in 2024, here's gonna be a quick guide, and we're gonna do multiple parts to this. First things first, you gotta start building your personal brand. Your personal brand is everything. So you need to really know who you're trying to reach and who you wanna talk to and how to talk to them. So the major thing with that is know your audience. If you're looking for an older demographic, Facebook is where you wanna be. If you're looking for millennials and you really kind of want to go viral, well, TikTok or Instagram is where you want to be with that. So you really have to know who you're trying to talk to, and you need to reach out to them and talk to them. Second thing, the way that I built my following, I have almost 70,000 followers on Instagram. I have 27,000 on TikTok and about 4,000 on Twitter and 5,000 friends on Facebook. The way I did that is consistency. People know me for real estate and social media. So I show up on a consistent basis. You gotta show up because people are gonna forget about you. The same way you see the same commercials all the time, you see the same show that comes on every week at the same time, you gotta be that consistent with your business and your social media as well. Because if you just post every now and then, and even I'm trying to be more consistent with YouTube, you gotta be consistent because people forget about you if you don't. So you gotta be consistent, you gotta show up on a consistent basis because people want to see you and they wanna know what you have to say, especially if you have some kind of expertise. Like with me in real estate, that's my expertise. People wanna know what I know about real estate. So I talk to them every single day on social media. So if you wanna really grow, and then once you grow enough, brands will start reaching out to you. Brands are always looking to partner with folks that have organic followings where they can then sell their products through you, and you can make money with affiliate marketing. You can make money with all of that. So you definitely want to start being consistent with your following. You want to make sure that you post content that people want to see and that will provide value. And once you do that, brands will start reaching out to you. Your business will grow, all of that. But this is part one. Be consistent. Know who you want to talk to, niche down, and that will start growing your following, and you will start making money eventually through social media.